go. Hello and welcome to a new recipe of Grill Master Bart. What a great day to grill today. It's awesome. It's the first day in the year in Belgium. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to make profit of that, and I'm going to make a first recipe in the year with the Kamado, and not just a recipe. I'm going to brine chicken breasts in Coca-Cola. Yes, you hear that very well. With Coca-Cola. I think my cat's going to help me with that. I'm not sure how, but she's going to. So I'm going to brine the chicken in Coca-Cola. I'm not going to add anything, not salt, not vinegar, no sugar, not nothing. I'm just going to brine it in the Coca-Cola itself. Brining is from the Middle Ages, so it's a very old technique of preparing food. Let's see how it goes with Coca-Cola. So just a small explanation. I have a cooking pot here. I've put them in the fridge for about 2 hours, so he's very cold. Fridge cold, 4 degrees Celsius. And 2 chicken breasts. The chicken breasts, I also kept 2 chicken breasts in my fridge just to compare. So we are going to put the chicken breasts in our pot. There we go. And now I'm going to pour the Coca-Cola over the chicken breasts. There we go, completely covered. And now we are going to let this rest in the fridge for 12 to 18 hours. So I got some nice charcoal here, very big chunks. I bought a new fire starter from a shop in Belgium, Albert Heijn. Let's see how that goes. So let's put this one in the middle, light it up. Oh, it doesn't go as fast as the other ones I normally buy. Oh, there he goes. And now we wait till it's about 125 degrees Celsius. And then we come back for the low and slow setup. I didn't show you how my bottom vent is. So this one is about just not 2 fingers wide. And my top vent is opened like this. The temperature is already raising up. So let's come back if it's at 150 degrees Celsius, and then we can put our low and slow setup inside the Kamado. So the Kamado is at 150 degrees Celsius now, about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Time to set it up for low and slow cooking. Up. Our heat deflector. And the griddle. There we go. And now we wait until we have about, it still shows 125 degrees Celsius, but we need to wait until it shows 125 degrees Celsius, and then we can start slow cooking. These chicken breasts were in the fridge for 18 hours. Let's see what it did to the chicken. I have absolutely no idea. I didn't check it yet. I'm going to put some paper towel here first so we can pat them dry. There we go. Let's pat them dry. There we go. They actually haven't changed color very much. They look a bit brown. I think that's the cinnamon in the Coke. I think there's cinnamon in there. So I'm looking forward to see how that tastes. Nah. And now we put these on the Kamado just until they reach a temperature of 65 degrees Celsius, and then we give them a nice golden crust. The Kamado is very steady at 120 degrees Celsius, 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's put the chicken breasts on here. There we go. And now we wait until they reach a temperature of 65 degrees Celsius. But of course, what would a test be if we don't put normal chicken breasts, which haven't been treated with anything, next to it, so we can compare? See you when they reach 65 degrees Celsius. At this time, I'm monitoring the temperature just at the grill, so I'm at 125 degrees Celsius, just perfect. This is also what my temperature probe says. I've installed it that way. This is my top vent, and this is the bottom vent, and this is where my temperature probe is. Look, just near the meat, so I know perfectly what temperature is inside my Kamado. Of course, it has gone down a bit, but look, it's perfect. It's the perfect temperature for smoking chicken. Wow, those look amazing. So as you have seen, the temperature inside is now 65 degrees Celsius. Let's get the grill up to temperature and sear them. These are the first two. Let's put a small stick. Well, no, we are going to wait. I'm just going to get some oil on them. There we go. These two are the ones which I have brined in Coca-Cola. There we go. Turn them around and give the back also a very nice color. Get some oil on them. There we go. And now we put a stick in them. There we go. Here also. And now we are going to sear them. So both of the vents are open, as you can see. I have 250 degrees Celsius, about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's sear them. It doesn't need to be much hotter, it's hot enough. There we go. The cola brine ones and the normal ones. There we go. 1 minute later, let's turn them around. Whoa, the Coca-Cola brine ones become black much faster. Oh, 1 more minute. There we go. Now let's taste these. This is the one which I didn't treat. Look at the smoke ring. You can see the pink inside the meat. I'm going to take it a little closer. I hope you can see it. Wow, I can't wait to taste this. But there is also this piece. This is the one I brined in Coca-Cola. What I can't show is the smell that comes from this chicken. They both smell amazing. Look, it's the same smoke ring on this one. There's nothing special, but extremely juicy, both of them. Now let's give them a try. Finally I can taste these two chicken breasts. This is the one which I brine in Coca-Cola. I'm very curious how that one tastes, what the Coca-Cola did to the chicken. But I'm going to start with a normal chicken breast, of course. Let's see how it tastes. Very juicy, but still a little chewy. I did it on slow cooking. I didn't tell you how long it took, but it was about 1 hour and 20 minutes. It was on the Kamado, but it is still a little chewy. Look, I can't pull it apart, but you still need to chew a little bit on it. It's not like the brine we did last time with salt and sugar. Then it was very smooth. Let's try the one which I have brine and Coca-Cola. Wow. I don't taste any Coca-Cola. Not a single drop. But this one, you can pull apart like this. And it melts in your mouth. It's butter soft. And the smoke, I don't know how, but there is way more smoke or charcoal flavor in this chicken. Wow, you should really try this recipe. It's amazing. Just pour cola over chicken, leave it overnight, and then slow cook it with a small sear as a finish. Perfect. Try it at home. I'm really looking forward to your comments down below this video. See you in my next video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my video, please do. See you in my next video. Thank you. What I'm about to tell you now really blew my mind. The chicken breasts, I finished them here at the table. So I've put them in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. I prepared my salad, so cold, with some mayonnaise, some vegetables, and then I tasted the chicken again, and then I really tasted the Coca-Cola flavor. It really blew my mind. It was awesome. I didn't expect that to happen, so I tried it when it was hot. So I tried it 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, and then I really thought, wow, the sugar of the cola is about to get in the meat, or it is going to give it a sweet flavor. But it didn't when it was hot. It did when it was cold. Try it. It was great.